What's going on, guys? Welcome to this crazy tech world. This is the first week of 2020 and that's why I would like to wish everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope everyone in this year are going to get a lot of happiness and success. Today I'm going to do unboxing of this bad boy. And this is a MacBook Pro of the year 2019, which is still the latest model, I believe. So I'm going to have a look what's inside. This is genuinely boxed laptop, so I haven't looked there yet, and I'm pretty excited to have a look at that together with you. So also I'm going to do a quick feel and look comparison with this older laptop that I have here. This is a MacBook Pro 15 inches as well, but this is from the year 2014. I used to own it for a few years, and I just want to see how it compares in terms of weight and just general look and feel to this new guy. So stay tuned and let's go. Hi guys, so this is the actual box the Mac comes with. I'm not sure if this is the box that Apple provides or that's just some kind of packaging. But anyway, the box is kind of looking fancy already. You can see that there is a little film here which can be peeled off. And so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Cool. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this box. Well, no surprise, there is another box right there. That's more regular MacBook Pro white box. Obviously, this gray box was used just for the postal purposes, and you can see that this is fully sealed at the moment. The film is all over around it, so I'm just going to grab something and peel it off. Just got my scissors here, so throw it aside. There we go. Okay. Oops. That's it. Okay, this is looking nice. Some kind of film here. Yeah, I can pull that up. Alright, so this is all together in some kind of a plastic sleeve that can be again peeled off. So let's do that. Okay. Go. So there it is, and I already feel it. It is much lighter than the previous version. I mean, that the version of the year 2014 that I had. And it's much thinner as well, but I'll talk about that later. For now, let's just see what else in the box there. Okay, this is some user manual or warranty or whatever that is. the Apple logo here as well, the sticker. Okay. Take that out. So the UK charger that I have here. Goes right there. It's all in film. I'll take that film off later. The actual cable here. So, and as you can notice, this is a Type-C cable, as well as all the ports on this laptop are Type-C as well. So your older adapters are not going to work with it. Is there anything else? It doesn't look like there is anything else. It's just... no, I don't think it comes out at all. Yeah, that's it. So that's basically what it is. Let's open the actual laptop. Starts up straight away. Well, yeah, it started loading. I can see that there's a touch panel up here. The buttons are much lower profile.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, and then the keypad is much bigger than the other one that I had. But I'll touch on that a little bit later when I get this machine ready and when I'll compare it side by side to the other one. So for now, I'll stop and then I come back to you later, guys. So let's have a look at them side by side. As I already mentioned, you can see that this trackpad is way bigger than on that guy from the 2014. The keys are much lower profile. You barely have to touch them to press down, and they don't travel that much as these guys, but even these keys were already very low profile, so I hope it's going to be comfortable. It should be anyway. Then we can see that all the F buttons, the top row there on the older MacBook Pro, they all disappeared here on the new one. But instead we have in this touch panel here, which going to be highlighted in different colors, and then that probably is what going to completely replace the functionality of those F1 to F12 buttons. So also I can notice straight away that the actual lead of the laptop of the older MacBook Pro is slightly higher. You can see here this one is slightly higher. I'm not sure if the screens are of the different size. I doubt so. They probably, the actual visible area is probably the same as on each of the laptops, but I suppose this is due to the higher distance between the actual screen and the black area. Like here you can see, unfortunately I can't turn it on now because the battery is low on this one, but that's what I think is actually happening here. Apart from that, Okay, the speaker here looks a bit smaller. The speaker here occupies a much wider area. Hopefully that means that the speakers are more powerful. About the height, well, this older laptop is definitely slightly higher, even when it's opened like this. So this is already a little bit uplifted. No surprise, this laptop is supposed to be much thinner than this and much lighter as well. Let's look at them in the closed position. So if we look at the sides, yeah, you can notice how much thinner is the new laptop compared to the older one, as well as it's actually wider. The old one is wider. So as I mentioned, yeah, that's probably something to do with the more ratio of the visible area of the screen on the new laptop. So also, yeah, and it is slightly larger on this end as well, just a tiny bit, but still, yeah. So the older laptop is a bigger and heavier laptop. I don't remember the weight specs. You can actually have a look yourself, but I think this one was about 2 kilos and this one is something like 1.6. I'm not going to do the specs analysis now, but this one is noticeably lighter. Yeah, definitely noticeably lighter than the older one. Well, as far as the look and feel comparison for now, I think that's enough. Later I am eager to do the actual benchmarking and see how they differ in the performance. Saying that, this laptop is actually still a great machine for this time, even though it's probably already like 4 years old. And yeah, I'd like to see how this one performs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for someone. If you like this video, please subscribe and put the thumbs up. Thanks everyone, see you later.